Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook sauteed mixed vegetables. Let's get cooking. For the ingredients, we need 2 medium-sized onions, 1 large yellow and red capsicum, 3/4 cup of French beans, 1 large carrot, broccoli florets, cauliflower florets, 1 large courgette, a handful of snow peas. For seasonings, we need a half tablespoon of dhana jeera, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of butter. Thoroughly wash your veggies, then chop them into the desired shapes. You can either cut them into julienne shapes, cubes, or dice them as well. I bought my veggies already cut and packaged. The only thing I did was to chop the onions and the capsicum. You can get the same package of mixed vegetable at your nearest mama mboga. Blanch your mixed veggies with hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes, then remove them. In your pan, put a little oil, then butter and let this melt. Always add a little oil before putting butter to avoid it getting burnt. Add the onions and the bell peppers and saute this for a few minutes till the onions become translucent. Then add your blanched vegetables and let these saute for a few minutes too. Ensure that you have not overcooked the veggies. Have them crunchy and well cooked at the same time. Add your spices, soy sauce and the balsamic vinegar. Mix everything together and let this cook for a few seconds. And your sauté mixed vegetable is ready. You can have these sautéed mixed vegetables with rice, mashed potatoes, or roasted plantain. That's it for today, guys. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to Winnfrey's Kitchen. Salute!